Hello everyone! Happy New Year! 2025. Oh, may ticket na siya. We're going to work, guys. It's Saturday. It's still winter. Going for a walk. We do a lot of snow. Yep. Let's go. Walking and walking. As usual. As usual. It's still winter. As you can see, it's minus 11 right now. It's a hill. We're going up and up and up. Hirap maglakad. Paano ang snow? Madulas. Mahirap maglakad. It's okay. Exercise na rin, di ba? There. Snow. Snow. Everywhere is snow. It's a mountain. Still is snowing. But it's cold. Look at all the cars like this. During winter it's like that. Buti ganyan lang. Hindi yung kagaya ng dati na ang kakapal. You need to dig your car early in the morning before you go to work. At least ganito lang siya. This year guys, ang winter, I think less snow than before. Yep, it's nice. Okay lang ganito siya, less snow, but a bit medium cold. Medium cold. Minus 11 right now. Tesla, ang dumi si Tesla. It's electric car. Can bring you anywhere without driving. Di ba? Mag-drive siya mag-isa. Basta bigay mo lang yung address. Ida-drive ka niya. It's good for the new driver. Yeah. It's a good car, Tesla. Alright. Welcome to 2025. Wow. Happy New Year. We're almost in the mid of January. 2 weeks gonna end again. And then February. Oh wow. Ang bilis. Ang bilis, no? Ang bilis ng panahon, ang bilis ng araw. Pag busy ang tao, ang bilis, hindi mo maramdaman na araw ay buwan. Mamaya summer na. Adi wow. Paahon ito guys, paahon. Paahon ito. Paahon. Hiningal na ako. Wow. Paahon eh. 30 minutes walking. 30 minutes walking. Alright. Hospital over there. My hospital is there. Okay, continue walking. Ayan ang hospital. Oh. Yun. Mostly Pilipino dyan. Nagwo-work or mga pasyente. Alright, thank you for watching. It's a hill. Mountain. Snow. Dito binagsak mga snow dyan sa parking lot. Kaya nagkakabundok na. Bundok-bundok. Ayun.